Hello, 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 and today we're gonna do album number 8, which is mostly China. And let's start. I actually have this banknote. Unfortunately, it's a forgery, so it's not the real deal. If it was, this would be worth a lot, but it's the only forgery that I have here, besides the one from Bahrain, that's 916X. And here we go into China. China is a country that I know very little of in terms of banknotes. So you're going to see a lot of banknotes here. Some of them seem to have some value. I actually just ordered now some banknotes from China, but I'm always wary about forgeries from there. So most of these will be on the, let's say, cheaper side, because I'm afraid of the high-end ones, that they would be forgeries. And I mean, to be honest, they're not that beautiful, at least not for me. So I'm going relatively quick through this stuff. Some of them I did get them in China, especially the newer stuff, which is not forged so often, at least. But yeah, those I got in China. You see those here especially. So the newer banknotes, all the way to this commemorative stuff. This was actually so common this 100 yuan was so common that I bought this at the banknote fair in Shanghai for 101 yuan. Yeah, that's how common it was. And then you have here the ones from the Beijing Olympics. Some more China, and then this is going into Taiwan, and I'm putting Taiwan as it's also in the catalog. It normally comes after China, not really something political, but these are banknotes from Taiwan, and they have the pick start at 1,900, something like that. So yeah. Besides that, I will also have like some regional picks, and I don't normally collect anything that doesn't have a pick as a number and not like as a S, meaning regional or anything like that. But in China I did get a lot of banknotes, and it's hard to get the pick. So after that we get into Colombia. Same issue as 99% of the countries in South America. Very cheap earlier, or a very expensive earlier material, and hard to find, and then it gets cheaper as we go into the 70s, 80s with the high inflation. Here on these cases, there are some that are hard to find due to the printing. So they look similar, but the printing company is different. That's what makes them more or less expensive. Actually, I do like this series. This one of the 90 series is marvelous, especially the backs, like this one here. And then we go quietly into the latest series of banknotes, and you can see these I actually got in Colombia. These are all AA, so really the first ones to come out, and just some stuff here that I got recently. Then Comoros, I don't have. There's not so many from Comoros. I think there's 17 picks. I do have a few of the new ones then in graded format, but ungraded it's only those. And then we go here into the Republic of Congo. Also, I did get a few of those in Congo, some nice banknotes, also some specimens. And Congo is quite an interesting country, because these banknotes, if you look online, they are extremely cheap, but there are some variants that it's just they are impossible to find. That's just the reality of it. And some of them, in forums, they even question if some of these variances actually do exist. And I'm searching for a couple of picks that I never seen before, and one or two that I basically just saw once in an auction, and that was about it. So yeah, And after that, we have the latest ones, the latest banknotes from Congo, the ones circulating at the moment. And then I got some other stuff here. Yeah, and that's it for the non-graded stuff. On the graded side, like I said, I had this one from Comoros, and then I have a few stuff. This one from China or Taiwan. This one from Colombia that I just got recently. Pick 2021 or 2221. Colombia. Another one from Colombia. Next from Colombia, but this one still AA. So yeah. And then the rest from Comoros, rest of the series, I think that this was missing there, 15 and 17. Yep. And that's it for album number 8. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.